Personalized healthcare goes beyond medical and technical expertise. Consideration must be given to the overall experience. An intimidating MRI exam room does little to ease patient anxiety. Cluttered space and inadequate storage also hinder staff, slowing procedures. Philips Ambient Experience offers tested solutions to address the total exam experience. We quietly shadow patients, nurses, families and physicians to gain insight into emotional and physical requirements. Based on these insights, we recommend a combination of technology, spatial design and workflow improvements to optimize the clinical environment. Obstructive columns are hidden behind flush walls. Rounded corners suggest additional space and discourage clutter. Integrated coil cabinets provide easy access to coils and accessories, freeing the room from clutter. A floor island enhances the curved design. Dynamic colored LED lighting neutralizes the harsh glare of institutional lighting while encouraging a sense of well-being. With a gentle wash of color, walls appear to fade away, softening the atmosphere, helping to reduce patient anxiety. A ceiling projector displays videos or animations chosen by the patient from a library of themes, providing a source of positive distraction. Soothing audio is added to create a relaxing ambience. To complete the transformation, a halo of colored light illuminates the exam room, creating a full immersive environment. Working in harmony, these elements define ambient experience. The room is ready for use. While waiting for their exam, young patients playfully explore the concept of scanning with the help of a kitten scanner. Fear of the unknown is reduced. Personalized control is central to the ambient experience concept. Patients are empowered to select their own room theme, thus becoming an active participant in the process. Lighting, projection, and audio immediately respond to their touch. Through positive distraction, anxious patients are reassured and comforted. Exam acceptance is easier. Step into a multi-sensorial environment for this unique experience. With this patient-centric focus, Philips Ambient Experience helps turn healthcare into human care.